So get this, recent studies show that 87.35% of all statistics are made up on the spot, and I just made that one up too. But seriously, today we're diving headfirst into the electrifying world of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, and how it's about to flip our lives upside down, inside out, and all around. Picture a future where robots can pen the next best-selling novel, also crack dad jokes funnier than your favorite stand-up comedian, and machines whip up recipes so delicious they'd make Gordon Ramsay actually say something nice. In a world where cats riding Roombas is the norm, can you even imagine how AGI is going to change the game? We're talking about AIs that can not only outsmart your nosy aunt at family gatherings, but also debate politics and philosophy while juggling virtual chainsaws. Figurative speakingly, of course. So grab your popcorn, sit back, and prepare for a wild roller coaster ride through the future of intelligence. So now that we've set the stage, let's dig into how AGI is going to change the world forever. Picture this. You walk into a hospital and you're greeted by a friendly AI nurse who knows your entire medical history, and I mean everything. Even that embarrassing rash you had in 6th grade. These AGI-powered nurses and doctors can diagnose and treat illnesses with unparalleled precision, making human error a thing of the past. So let's keep this story going, and let's imagine a world where AGI is not only saving lives in hospitals, but is also working tirelessly to solve our planet's biggest problems. We're talking about climate change, world hunger, and even the eternal mystery of why we lose socks in the dryer. AGI could be the mastermind behind designing eco-friendly cities, optimizing food production, and maybe even teleporting your lost socks right back into your drawer. Okay, so that last one's probably a bit of a stretch, but a YouTuber can dream, right? Let's not forget about how AGI could revolutionize education. Say goodbye to boring lectures and one-size-fits-all lesson plans. With AGI, every student gets a personalized learning experience tailored to their unique strengths and weaknesses. Who knows? Maybe with AGI by our side, we'll all become geniuses capable of cracking those seemingly unsolvable math problems. You know, the hard ones with all the numbers in them. And for all you artists and creators out there, don't worry. AGI's got your back too. Imagine collaborating with an AI that understands your vision and helps you create mind-blowing masterpieces, whether it's painting, music, or even interpretive dance. Hey, I know what I said. Don't judge. The possibilities are truly endless. But before we get too carried away, let's remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Shout out to Uncle Ben. And so as AGI changes the world, we need to do our part to make sure it's used for the better. And doesn't, accidentally cause a robot uprising or something. But hey, that's a topic for another video. Alright, so we've talked about how AGI is going to rock our world, but now it's time to tackle the real question about AI capabilities. Can these machines actually outsmart us humans? I mean, sure, they can paint like Picasso and compose symphonies like Beethoven, but can they really surpass our own intelligence? Let's dive in and find out. So picture this. You're playing a game of chess with an AI and it's making moves that would put Bobby Fischer to shame. And what if that same AI could also help you write a heartfelt love letter? Or teach you the secret to Grandma's famous spaghetti sauce? The real trick is it's the tomatoes. But that's the real challenge for AGI. Being able to adapt, learn, and excel in a wide range of tasks that require creativity, empathy, and good old-fashioned human intuition. And taste buds. Now, you might be thinking, machines with feelings? That's just science fiction. But hold on to your hats because AI is already making strides in understanding emotions. Remember that one time an AI therapist helped thousands of people online? Yeah, that actually happened. And it's just the beginning. So don't be too surprised if one day your AI buddy becomes your go-to confidant and maybe even a better listener than your best friend. Sorry, Karen, but you've been replaced. As AI continues to evolve, we might find ourselves in a world where our robotic counterparts can not only outthink us, but also outfeel and outcreate us. Imagine an AI that can write the next great American novel or even invent a dance move that makes the floss look like child's play. The sky's the limit. So, while we're hopefully still a ways off from having AGI-powered robot overlords, we think, it's definitely an exciting time to be alive. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll be watching YouTube videos created entirely by AGI. Crazy, right? Really? Seriously? Come on, no. So what do you think about the future of AI capabilities? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mind-bending content. Now that we've explored the dazzling possibilities of AGI, it's time to discuss a critical aspect that we can't ignore: the exponential growth of parameters in AI models. Now, I know, it sounds like a snooze fest, but trust me, this is really important. So let's unwrap the enigma, shall we? In the world of AI, it's all about making our digital buddies smarter and more capable. But simply beefing up their parameters isn't the ultimate solution. It's kind of like trying to fit an elephant into a tiny car. I mean, sure, you could try, but eventually you're going to hit a limit. The real challenge lies in finding that secret sauce, that magical ingredient that'll take AGI to the next level. It could be a groundbreaking new algorithm, a revolutionary approach to machine learning, or maybe even a top-secret formula that's been secreted away in a dusty old book found in the haunted forest. The point is, it's not about just throwing more data at our AI buddies and hoping they become the next Albert Einstein. We need to think outside the box, push the boundaries, and maybe even get a little bit weird. After all, some of the greatest innovations in history have come from the strangest of places. Don't believe me? Check out the history of the slinky and microwave ovens. So while we might not know exactly how to unlock the full potential of AGI, we can be sure that we're living in a time of incredible innovation and discovery. And hey, if anyone out there has a brilliant idea on how to take AGI to the next level, don't be shy. Share it with the world. You never know, you might just be the one to change the course of AI history. But please do it for the better. So do you have any wild theories on how we can achieve AGI greatness? Share your thoughts in the comments and let's keep this conversation going. And remember, the more we explore and learn together, the closer we'll get to that mind-blowing future we all dream of. I'm calling dibs on the purple lightsaber. Well, folks, it's been quite a ride. We've delved into the fascinating world of AGI, pondered the future of AI capabilities, and even scratched our heads over the exponential growth of parameters. I think it's safe to say that we're living in an exciting time, with AGI poised to change our world in ways we can't even imagine yet. But as we hurtle towards this brave new world, it's essential to remember that we have the power to shape the future. So let's use AGI for good, harnessing its incredible potential to create a better, more connected, and more compassionate world. After all, the best kind of future is one where humans and AGI can work together, learn from each other, and maybe even share a laugh or two. And hopefully not murk each other. So as we wrap up this thrilling journey through the realm of AGI, I'd love to hear your thoughts. How do you envision AGI shaping our world? What role do you see it playing in your own life? Share your wildest dreams and predictions in the comments below. Who knows, maybe we'll look back at this video in a few years and marvel at just how far we've come or how right you were. So thanks again for joining me on this crazy adventure, and until next time, friends, keep your eyes on the sky and your plasma weapons at the ready just in case.